I'm really looking forward to taking part in these courses and leading them because I think they're going to be really exciting, and it's so lovely to be face to face after all the online training that we've had to do since the COVID pandemic. So this course really is about really empowering school librarians, because I want them to be able to really fly in their environments. The idea is that it's not just doing your everyday tasks, but really showing how you can make impact so that other people in the school can really see the librarian as a focal point, as a key player in driving the school aims forward. And that's what leadership's all about, really. So we're looking really for people to join who are maybe working in an international school primarily, but also it might be suitable for somebody who's in a bilingual school, something like that might also work. But it's really people who are looking to do that more than just going in, doing your library work and then going home at the end of the day. We're looking for participants and delegates who are really excited about the idea of becoming leaders. We are cramming such a lot into 2 days, but it's all going to be exciting. And I think that's the main thing. So we're covering everything, really. At least I hope it's everything that everybody would want to know. So the starts off really with the idea of leadership, because we need to know a little bit about that in order to frame what we're putting onto that in terms of our library competencies. So once we've done that, the next thing is, have we got a welcoming space? Does our library invite people to come in and use it? We're also going to look at the whole idea of reader engagement. That's really important, because if you can't read the information, no matter what form it's in, whether it's digital information or whether it's print information, then we've got to know how the people that are using our library services are going to manage that. And that might mean that we've got to take account, particularly on the international market, of things like different home languages that we need to cater for. So it's going to explore all of that side of it. Then we mustn't forget the digital literacy. We mustn't forget all the things that we need to know about inquiry-based learning. We need to know about how we can use technology to help us to deliver the messages and to help young people with their learning as well. So there's all that side of it. And then I think it's really important for librarians to be aware of the importance of assessment, because so often we deliver one course and then that's it. We never see that class again. We've got to learn how to get embedded with the teachers about awarding marks for the research competencies, for the reading levels that these students achieve, and make sure that they have impact too. And that really means starting to network and to co-deliver, to co-design with others in our wider school community. How do we do this? Well, some people might feel, this is beyond me. I'm not sure how I even start on this. And the important thing that we're going to cover is about professional training. So it's about the development of the skills that you're going to need in order to affect all these amazing changes and have real impact on your school community.